Hey there, health seekers! Welcome back to Roots to Remedy. Today, I'm diving deep into the world of natural remedies to help you tackle bladder infections. Naturally! Bladder infections can be a real pain, but I've got some amazing herbs that can help. Let's get started. First up, Bearberry, also known as Uva ursi. This powerful herb increases the acidity of your urine, helping to kill off bacteria. To make an infusion, take 1 tablespoon of dried bearberry leaves, steep it in hot water for about 10 minutes, strain and drink up. Simple and effective. Next, we have Buchu, a lesser-known but potent herb. Buchu works wonders as a diuretic, making you urinate more frequently, which helps flush out the bacteria. You can prepare a tincture by soaking Buchu leaves in alcohol for a few weeks. Take a few drops in water and you're good to go. Burdock is another fantastic herb for combating infections. It's not just for skin issues. Make a decoction by simmering the roots in water for about 20 minutes. Drink this daily to help cleanse your urinary system. Cubeb, often overlooked, is a spice with antibacterial properties. You can take it in capsule form or make a powder to sprinkle on your food. It's an easy way to incorporate this powerful herb into your diet. Echinacea is famous for boosting the immune system. Make a tonic wine by soaking echinacea roots in red wine for a month. Take a small glass daily to keep infections at bay. Let's not forget golden seal. This herb is a natural antibiotic. Prepare a syrup by boiling golden seal in water, adding honey and letting it cool. Take a spoonful a few times a day. Juniper berry is another diuretic that can help flush out bacteria. Crush the berries and soak them in oil to make an infused oil. Use this oil topically on your lower abdomen for relief. Marshmallow root might sound sweet, but it's a serious herb for bladder health. It increases the acidity of urine. Make a poultice by mixing marshmallow root powder with water to form a paste and apply it to the lower abdomen. Uva ursi, similar to bearberry, is excellent for increasing urine acidity. Make a compress by soaking a cloth in a Uva ursi infusion and apply it to your lower abdomen for soothing relief. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. And for more natural health tips and remedies, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Have you tried any of these herbs before? Let me know in the comments below. Stay healthy and see you next time on Roots to Remedy.